I will show you how to add 3 different video effects on CapCut PC. You can add your videos to make your video more meaningful. First, you need to bring your video, and then go to top and click on Effects. Then go to Light Effects and scroll down. I will add some halo effects. Add top of the videos. You see how this effects come. On the left you can change the atmosphere and also the speed, increase or decrease. And then export results. Learn second effects how to add. Body effects, choose stroke. Choose streamer stroke. So if you want to go right. So you can adjust the settings from here. And the range and size and speed. So you can add this streamer stroke effect here. And then export. Outcome. All the video clips were downloaded from pexls.com. And then go to Efforts. Video Efforts. Choose Retro. Now we add some retro effects here. On the right hand side you can adjust the effects. Then go to Openings Effects and choose the effects. I will add the second effects here. So you can see what I'm saying. That export. Results. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.